Hey fam, welcome back to another video with your girl Michelle. Today we are doing a after dark clean with me, and as you can see I'm starting in the living room by just tidying up. I fell asleep on the sofa after dinner and putting the kids to bed, and I woke up at 3 a.m. and decided to just straighten up the house and get it in order so that I wouldn't have to do it the next morning. My kids typically sleep in on the weekends, so they'll sleep in till about 9 a.m. and I typically am up around 9:30. The bigger kids tend to get up and get their tablets and watch their tablets for a little bit until I wake up on the weekends, and so that tends to work out for us. So this will allow me to just rest during the morning time. So I just decided to go ahead and get it done. If this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is Michelle and I am a mother of 3 and also a stay-at-home mom and wife. On this channel we do cleaning, a little bit of vlogging, and lifestyle content. If you like what you see here, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for me. And without further ado, let's jump right into the video.
Let's set the tone, a bottle of red wine and pheromones. The conversation flows, a couple of hours, see how it goes. I really trust my senses, catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing, you seem to have it all. In loving not for anything emotional too soon. You got my invitation, now the rest is up to you. Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get together, you and I. We vibing like
Okay fam, so here you'll see me unpacking some things. We were on spring break this week and we intended to take a little trip to visit family. Unfortunately, it didn't work out, but that's okay. We'll just postpone that trip until the summer. But I had to finish unpacking the things that I packed, so that's what you'll see me doing here.
feeling kinda tipsy, didn't drink so I don't get it. I must be high, but I'm just guessing. It's something in the way you talk, I'll show my hand, let's play it out. Putting my heart up on the table. I really trust my senses, catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing, you seem to have it all. In loving not for anything emotional too soon. You got my invitation, now the rest is up to you. Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get together, you and I. We vibing like It's getting kinda personal. I know my inhibitions, I just let them go. Stole my heart just like a criminal. I think it's time you let me know if you wanna. Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get together, you and I. We vibing like
night. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Peeping, your IG pictures on my phone. I won't spend another night at home. Okay, I'ma just be on my way. You'll see I'm not the one you take for granted, babe. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation?
So as I mentioned, I'm doing this cleaning at 3 in the morning after dark. Everyone is asleep, so I wasn't gonna pull out the vacuum and wake the whole house up. So I decided to just grab my broom and sweep off the area rug and sweep the surrounding area. And my son woke up, and both of my kids, my older kids, tend to wake up in the middle of the night for something to drink, and so that's what I went off and got him. And then I just continued sweeping. I do like to sweep from time to time. Sometimes your vacuum can't get in some of the creases and crevices. You'll see that also when we move into the kitchen.
Leaving no affection for me at home. Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? Baby, baby, so can you take me on a date? The simple things you do to make me stay. Now it's like you don't even try. I used to wonder why, but now I'm left with no more tears to cry. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation? Leaving no affection for me at home. Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? If you want me the way I want you, put your all into all that you do. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation? Leaving no affection for me at home. Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know?
I'm just trying to get by. I don't know how you do it. Trying to keep you off my mind. I can't hold to it. You make it easy, but every time I fall back again. Tell me all the secrets, 'cause baby I can see the end. Don't slow down. I just need you to say you won't let go. I will keep my heart wide open. All I ask of you, baby, keep the fire burning. Come on, keep the fire burning. I keep losing track of time. the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one.
So you'll see here that with the broom I pulled out a charger cord base, the part that plugs into the wall. And this is just an example of why I like to sweep from time to time, because I wouldn't have pulled that out with my vacuum. I vacuum my kitchen almost every day, and there's no telling how long that charger port was up under there.
Here's all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go.
Okay fam, so if you made it this far in the video, I want to say thank you so much for being here. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I hope this video gave you some motivation to go ahead and get some things done. As you can see, I finished cleaning at 5:16 and I think it came out lovely. All right, you guys take care. I'm gonna leave you here with a bonus clip, but also I just wanted to show you that I did have some laundry that needed folding, about 3 loads, and I did not get to it. And that's okay. We have to remember that we can't do everything at all the time, so give yourself some grace. But here is the bonus clip, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
And then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here tonight before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. We gave it all we had. It's time to say bye, baby, bye. I'll be, you'll be, yeah, we'll be fine. So let's call it a night, and that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here right now before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. Ooh, Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day. And when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you.